Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a working Baseball 9 hack for 2025, unlimited resources on iOS and Android, as you can see. So let's get straight into the guide, and I'm going to show you exactly to download this. So it's pretty simple. We're just going to go over to a website where we can actually install this. So it's called zoomods.com. Tons of mods for apps and games on this site. Alright, so here we are on the site, guys. So I'm just going to type in baseball, and you can see there it is. So you press on it, and it's going to start downloading it onto your device. So you just got to wait for it to download here, as you can see. Now, before it downloads, they do make you do a little verification, but you just have to download like 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's 100% for free, and they're also from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All right, so here we go. So as you can see, it's going to load, and it basically just says like, please install some apps. So you guys will see what I'm talking about. All right, yeah, please install 3 free apps to automatically install Baseball 9 mods. So it's going to be like a bunch of apps, and you just got to download them. But you can see they all have their own instructions. Like Pogo says download, install, register, valid info. Richie, install and earn 5k coins. So you got to do what it says. So yeah, just press on it, press tap to install. It'll bring you to the store. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go and subscribe. This is super easy. So yeah, I'm on Android, so brought me to the Play Store. But if you're using an iPhone, it should bring you to the App Store. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you get the Baseball 9 hack in 2025. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps, or 3 of them, I guess. I thought it was 2, but see you guys later, and peace out.